Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the headlines. Jagmeet Singh Brar and Hari Prasad in Goa to avoid more revolts by party members on a mission to finalize remaining controversial candidates. Vijay Paikot resigns as Kankon MLA, turns rebellious against the BJP after denying him ticket, likely to join Congress in next 2 days. 4 candidates from Alemao family filed their nominations. 26 nominations filed on Friday. Joe Boy to contest as independent from Santa Cruz. Sagun Kamath costliest player in Goa Professional League Season 3. Sher Bahadur and Swapnila Snorkar follow. GPL 2020 excitement will kick off on March 4th. And Sporting's Guinea defender Keita Boubacar backs Didier Drogba's Ivory Coast to win African Cup of Nations on Sunday. Now the news in detail. Goa desk in charge of the Congress Jagmeet Singh Brar and AICC General Secretary Hari Prasad have arrived in Goa to salvage the situation for Congress on the backdrop of multiple revolts across the state. Sources say that they are on a mission to curb any more resignations and finalize candidates in pending constituencies. On the other side, UGDP has declared 3 more candidates.
Confusion about Fatoda, Murgaon, Kankon and Savade is still not clear. In spite of Kankon Vijay Paikot's resignation, Congress has decided to hold on for a couple of more days before declaring candidates in these multiple claim and disputed constituencies. 3 of the Congress observers are in Goa to handle the situation. All these 3 leaders held series of meetings with Congress leaders in the state on Friday. Following are the things they decided: declare final list on Sunday, try to stop more revolts in existing situation, try to avoid more revolts after 3rd list. Monday is the last day of filing nominations. Congress hopes that last-minute declaration will give less scope to rebellions to file their candidature on behalf of other parties or as an independent. Meanwhile, UGDP has declared 3 more candidates: Gitesh Naik in Ponda, Francisco Culasso in Taligaon, and Adam Jumma in Vasco. They also informed that more 12 candidates will be declared in coming days.
Next few days prayers are crucial, not next 3 days. We have a set of at least 12 candidates in the line. And we are now sorting it out overnight for the next 2 days. And we will be announcing them shortly by the end of... Yes. We have, in Gurur we have 2, Kankon we have 2, Sangye we have 2. Everywhere there are candidates who are willing to take up the cause for the Goans. Because they know that in the hands of the Congress, am circle kabar dala. Congress am sam ki kabar kuru dala. Kain dorin na. Number kabar kele, amge noi kabar kelo, amge pray kabar kelo. Kain dorin na amga. Uno na by sala nichchay karun. Ki Congress am kabar karto.
With bureau inputs, our reporter in Margaon, Savio Dice.
Kankon MLA Vijay Paikot resigned from the BJP by submitting his resignation letter to Speaker Pratap Singh Rane in the Secretariat on Friday. Vijay Paikot said that he has resigned from the BJP as they did not consider him BJP activist and people of Kankon while finalizing candidate for Kankon constituency. He is likely to join the Congress.
Finally, after numerous rumors and tough tussle for the Kankon ticket, Vijay Paikot put down his papers as MLA and BJP member. Sources say that he took the step following confirmation of Congress ticket from Kankon by the Congress High Command. But interestingly, his Congress induction is not yet finalized.
हांव काणकोण मतदारसंघाचो आमदार आनी काणकोण मतदारसंघाक भारतीय जनता पक्षान कॅन्डिडेट जो फायनल केला तो फायनल करता आसतना आमकां विश्वासाक घेतलो ना आनी भारतीय जनता पक्षाच्या कार्यकर्त्यांक आनी काणकोणच्या लोकांकय बी विश्वासाक घेतलो ना आनी म्हणून आयज कार्यकर्त्यांनी लोकांनी म्हाका सांगलें की यू गो एंड रिजायन आनी ताका लागून हांव येवन रिजायन जालो.
Meanwhile, aspirant of Congress ticket for Kankon constituency, Daya Pagi, has called a special meeting of his supporters on February 13th. Daya Pagi has informed that as a loyal Congress worker, he trusts the Congress High Command. He said that they would take further steps only after official declaration of the ticket by the party. Congress is also keeping a close watch on the moves of another Congress leader, Isidore Fernandes. Isidore had rallied outside the Congress house on Wednesday demanding reasons behind delay in declaring Kankon ticket. A reporter Babesh Borkar from Kankon.
Filing of nominations continued on Friday. Around 26 candidates filed nominations all over the state. All 4 Alamaos filed their nominations. In a surprising move, Joe Boy has filed his candidature from Santa Cruz as an independent candidate. Candidates can file their nominations till 13th February.
On Friday, Avartano Furtado filed his nomination from Naveli as independent candidate. Subhash Fardesai Sangye BJP, Joki Alamao Kukuri Congress, Pravin Sathye Maye independent, Nilesh Cabral Kurtsade BJP, Churchill Alamao Naveli Congress, Yuri Alamao Sangye NCP, Subhash Shirodkar Shiroda Congress, Rama Borkar Priol GVP, Agnel Fernandez Kalangut Congress, Minino Montero Mandre GVP, Gajanan Naik Saligaon CPI, Valanka Alamao Banavali Congress, Ronnie Rodrigues Kunkari Independent, Derek Dias Kunkari Janata Dal, Netipo Taligaon Samajwadi Party, Pandurang Madgaikar Kumarzua Congress, Jose Lopez alias Joe Boy Santa Cruz Independent, and Baluram Karishetty Panji Independent.
आणि खात्री आसा की म्हजी सीटा बरोबरच काँग्रेस पक्षाचे साधारणशे 22 सीट आमी सहज जिखतले.
I'm only counting my thumping majority, which I won last term, 5,800 votes. This time, I'll be getting 7,000 thumping majority. I have a confidence of the people of from my constituency.
I know कौन बीजेपी है त्या आता सगळ्या मध्ये बरं आहे चर्चल मध्ये नको कोण आहे त्या बीजेपी
तू जिकोन येला नावेली आणि किती असतं
आहे ते त्या सांगपा देना मुगे विजन हा ते सांगता एक दिवस येतो. I want to do the lots of more change.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.